Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Swap to an Airtel 5G ready SIM if yours is older, because older SIMs may not support 5G bands. Make sure your phone is 5G capable and unlocked, and install OS updates so the modem firmware supports new bands. Finally, check that you're in an Airtel 5G coverage area. If not, you won't get 5G regardless of settings. Once done, move to Network Configuration to enable the radio and select the right bands. Now you configure the phone, open Mobile Network Settings, and select 5G/4G/3G Auto so the device can negotiate the fastest connection. This allows dynamic switching without dropping data. Next, confirm the Airtel APN values match carrier specifications, because incorrect APNs can block data or limit to 4G. Make any edits, then restart the phone so the modem re-registers on the network. After reboot, watch the status icons and run a quick speed test to confirm 5G attachment and throughput. Finish by validating performance. Run a speed test and stream high-quality video to confirm low latency and higher throughput. This proves you're on 5G for real tasks, not just a signal icon. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode to force re-registration, reseat the SIM, or manually select the Airtel network so the phone retries band selection. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with your IMEI and SIM number, because provisioning or missing bands on your account are common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.